The 2019 Mustang Bullitt might look like a simple tribute car, but under the Highland Green paint, it hides some seriously weird and awesome secrets. Let's get into it. Ford fitted the Bullitt's 5-liter V8 with a unique intake manifold borrowed from the GT350, but tweaked specifically for this car. It gave the Bullitt a slight power bump over the regular GT, up to 480 horsepower. But here's the kicker. At launch, the Bullitt was the only way to get this part unless you were buying a Shelby. Later, Ford quietly added a similar intake to other models, but early Bullitt buyers had something truly special. Unlike the regular Mustang GT, which Ford electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, the Bullitt didn't have the governor. Its top speed, 163 miles per hour, specifically chosen because it was 8 miles per hour faster than the 1968 car's movie top speed claims. This wasn't just a bonus. Ford intentionally tuned it to beat Steve McQueen's movie chase speed as a bragging rights move. Each 2019 Bullitt came with a special serialized dash plaque, but what almost nobody realizes is that the font and engraving style were designed to match the same ones used in the inside of the original 1968 movie car's speedometer cluster. It's a little Easter egg most owners never even notice until they dig into old Mustang design books. Everybody thinks Bullitts were only Highland Green, but Ford actually offered it in one other color, Shadow Black, and hardcore Mustang fans hated it. There were heated arguments in Mustang forums. Some said a black Bullitt wasn't real enough and was an insult to the McQueen legacy. Meanwhile, Ford didn't care. They said Steve McQueen owned several black cars, so they were keeping it authentic to his taste, not just the movie. The cue ball style shifter wasn't just a random retro touch. Ford dug into McQueen's personal taste in car mods and found that he preferred minimalist functional setups. So they recreated the look and even the texture of vintage 1960s racing shift knobs for the Bullitt. Even the slight imperfect feel was designed to make it seem less mass-produced and more hand-tuned. The 2019 Bullitt is way more than a pretty face. It's a full-on love letter to car nerds. If you know another weird Bullitt fact, drop it in the comments. And if you love uncovering hidden car secrets, make sure to hit subscribe. We've got some even crazier ones coming up next.